everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download or install iOS 16 latest 12 update on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open any browser like I'm opening Safari here, and here you have to search for beta.apple.com and just simply tap on go. Now here you can see guys, showing here get started option. Just simply tap on this, and here you have to give your touch ID or password. It's done from here. Now you have to wait for a while and then scroll it down from here, and here's the enroll your iOS device option. Just simply tap on this. Now you have to wait for a while from here, then scroll it down, and as you can see guys, it's showing here download profile. Just simply tap on this. Just simply tap on allow, tap on close. Close this one from here, and now you have to open settings, and from here you have to tap on profile, download it, and you have to tap on install. Here you have to put your passcode, and again tap on install, then again tap on install, and then tap on not now, and just simply tap on done. Now as you can see guys, not showing here profile downloaded option. In general you can see here is the software update. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.